what's up guys? Jeff here. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I just received this box right here. Heavy box. And this is the prize box that I won from Robbins Nest. It was his 50 subscriber giveaway. And I won. Woo! So excited. Just got this about 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I'm excited to open this. Once again guys, congrats on hitting 50 subscribers. And I think you're over 50 now, right? You're at, I think, like 80 or 90. So congrats on that guys. You guys have an awesome channel and thank you. You know, I can't wait to open this. So let's do this right now. I'm going to take out our friend, the zombie knife. Oh yeah. Mr. Zombie Knife. Let's open this up. This is a mystery box. He just asks what you like, and they go out and put some stuff that you like and some stuff that they like. And I cannot wait to open this. I need to sharpen my knife. That knife's been opening way too many boxes. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I see something good. Alright, open the box and what do we see? Star Wars. Oh, sweet. This is a Star Wars calendar. No way. Awesome. This is really cool. I don't have a calendar. Do I? No. No, I don't. So this is awesome. I'm going to put this up right away. Star Wars calendar. Which one's July? We won't know yet. There it is. You know what? Can I open this right now? Let me open this up real quick here. I don't want to rip it. I just want to see what July is, because that's when my birthday. July is my birthday, and I want to see what I got for July. Okay. What do I got for July? Ooh. My future wife. Yes. So let's do this mystery style. First item, well, second item. Ooh, Peeps. I love Peeps. Awesome. I haven't had Peeps in a while. I think the last Peeps I had was probably like a month ago or 2 months ago. Got me some Peeps. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, this is cool. A Star Wars Stormtrooper. Ooh, it's got Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. My favorite. That's awesome. Oh wow, I've never seen these. This is a Hulk, Mr. Potato Head as Hulk. That is, oh, and you can get Iron Man, and you can get Superman. The Hulk. That is so awesome. That is so cool. I've never seen these. I used to have Mr. Potato Head, like the original one, years ago. Ooh, pistachios. This will go good because I've been watching a lot of wrestling on the WWE Network. Been watching a lot of the Eddie Guerrero matches, so this will come in handy for tonight. Awesome. Thank you very much. Oh, Transformers. I got Bumblebee. This is awesome. I've never seen this before. Rescue Bots. Oh, Oh wow, so that's, here it is right there. I've never seen these before. I mean, I've probably seen it in one of your videos, but I never actually got one of these. Ooh. So this looks awesome. That's pretty cool. There he is right there. Bumblebee, the Transformers. Very nice. That's pretty cool. We have Welchs, family farmer owned fruit snacks. Check that out. I love these things. We have a lot of snacks here. Cottontails, mini white cheddar cheese balls. Cheese balls. Never had these. They sound delicious. They will be going down tonight. Oh yeah, Five Nights at Freddy's. Yes. So this is my first one. Because my first one, and oh, these are the keychain ones. Oh, nice. These are really cool. This guy looks awesome. Which one is this? There's no name. There's no rarity, but this is the, I'm gonna call it the Crazy Chicken. Crazy Chicken. Look at that guy. That is so cool. I really like these. Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm gonna have to go out and buy more of these. Collect all 10, I think. And there's a special one. So you can collect all these in the back here. Sorry, I ripped it there, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna put this with all my other miniatures. We have here from Marvel. It's a Marvel character. Is this? Who is this? Who is this? I don't know who this is. I really don't. I'm drawing a blank here. I've never seen these. Who is this? Hold on a second, guys. Disney Marvel Series 3. The horns, it's Loki. The horns remind me of Loki from Thor, also in the Avengers. I've never seen these figures. He looks, look at his face. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Ooh, yeah, you have some Skittles. There's a lot of stuff. Another one. Another one. Five Nights at Freddy's. Yes. Nice. It's not a duplicate. That's good. Throw some of these out here on the trash. So this is what we have here. Looks pretty cool. Check that out. So that's awesome. I got 2 of them, so that's cool. So now I need like the other 8. I got some more of these fruit snacks. Thank you from Robin's Nest. Says thank you, Robin's Nest. Let's open this up. Got some Tootsie Roll. Do the Tootsie Roll. We have some Slowpoke. Caramel candy. I've never seen this before. Slowpoke. Never seen that before. And this other Tootsie Roll I have. Wow. I haven't seen these in a long time. Wow, awesome. Thank you very much. A lot of goodies here. Lots of goodies here. What's this? Legos. Is this a Flash? Alright. So I got Legos here. It looks like I got the Flash, and Flash has a car. I guess I gotta put these together. The Mighty Micros. That's awesome. I'm not gonna put it together now. Believe it or not, these are my first Legos. I never owned any Legos. Never. These are my first Legos, and I'm excited to put these together. Thank you very much. That is awesome. Thank you from Robin's Nest. Ooh, we have some more, probably some more Tootsie Rolls. Yep. Some more Tootsie Rolls. Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. There's more stuff in here. Damn, these guys. Yeah, here's some Starbursts. No way, this is awesome. Superman Mystery Mini. This is Funko, right? Yeah, it's Funko. I don't have any Superman minis. I have the Superman Batman minis from the Batman vs. Superman. So this is my first Superman DC minis. Is this from the DC Heroes minis, right? I'm not sure. But wow, that's awesome. Thank you so much. I got a lot of minis. I gotta make room now. That's awesome. Thank you. Superman is my favorite. I got here a number 2 pen. Well, I don't know if it's a number 2 pencil. But I got here some pencils from Marvel and Star Wars. Pencils from Marvel and Star Wars. I always use them as drumsticks. I'm not a drummer. Some more stuff in here. Ooh, what's this? Delta Official Airlines of the New York Yankees. Oh man. A lot of my Boston friends they're not gonna like this. They're not gonna like this. You know what? I need a water bottle because I have a juicer. I juice cucumbers and some water, so it's like cucumber water. I bring that to work. Tastes great, and I need a new bottle, and I got one, but it's got the Yankees on it. I'm not a big sports fan, so but I know I'll get hell if I bring this to work. People will just look at me, and they won't kill me. They probably will kill me, but I got a new bottle, so it's all that matters. Awesome bottle. Thank you very much. I knew you were gonna put something about the Yankees in there. I had a weird feeling. Got some nuts. I love me some nuts. Oh, we have some baseball cards here. And these, of course, are my only baseball cards that I do have here. And they're all New York Yankees. Wait, not all of them. Actually, yeah, all of them are. I never owned any sports cards, so that's awesome. This looks like a classic one here. Phil Huggs. So I got some awesome looking Alex Rodriguez. Awesome baseball cards here. They're the Yankees, but it's alright. It's alright. I actually know a few people who are Red Sox fans, but they're not just Red Sox fans, but they're fans of all, you know, and they would really love to look at these. So that's awesome. Got some Yankee stuff. And this is the back of this guy here. I had a lot of these. And it came in with another Reese's. That's awesome. Came in a Darth Vader. I have a huge Darth Vader one of these. So now I got this one here. And I do keep these. You can actually make a magnet. Put the magnet on the back, then you put it on your fridge. Got some more stoppers. There's a bigger item here. I'm saving the bigger item for last. Stormtrooper. With another Reese's. Awesome. These Reese's are going to be gone in like after this video. And I think that's it. One last item. Oh, awesome. I don't have this one. Thank you so much. Because I was looking for this one. I could not find this one. I have the Ghostface, Billy, and Chucky. And now I have Sam, Jason, and Freddy. Check that out. Sorry about that glare. You guys can see that. I really like the tin artwork. I always keep this in the tin. Artwork looks awesome. Very nice. Thank you so much. And I believe that's it in the box. Boom. So, awesome prize box. I really enjoy this. Thank you very much. Guys, check out Robbins' Nest. I'm going to put the link in the detail section below. Thanks again, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Robbins' Nest. Link is in the detail section below. Once again, guys, congratulations on hitting 50 subscribers and many more. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day. Later.